Hello and welcome to my channel again. This morning I just want to show you how to fix your shoes, the ladies' shoes that normally come loose here from the sides here. Just take a screwdriver first. You just make sure all your surfaces are clean and get rid of all the loose pieces and old glue. Just gonna then take a glue gun and put some glue. You can see there's an opening here. You can just put a screwdriver in here maybe and just wedge it open. I use small glue gun with a black. I found this black glue sticks in the China mall. They, according to me, they work a little bit better. They're stronger than just the clear ones. What you do is just go and you force these things in here. This glue gun here. Make sure there's a lot of this glue underneath here. And then you can just press it and just till it cools down. When you see some of the parts pulls out again, just force them back in here. You can clean that later. And then you skip your finger on here. When you finish, you can put some on the inside also. It's the only way to fix. It's difficult to use shoe glue unless you open the whole area here. You can just put more in here. Let's get another glue gun. I'm going to fix this little thing here. And just go and you force this in here and you close it. You can clean this later, all these pieces here in the back. Then you just press your hands on there until it cools down. And as I said, you can go and from the inside also put some glue there if you like. But this is a way to fix ladies' shoes. There's another one. You can just, they normally tend to come out and you just put your glue gun in here and then they are okay for another month or so until you go buy some new shoes. Okay, thank you for watching. Till next time, cheers.